Good morning. My name is Sterling Chin, and this is my no server project, Moment. As way of background, the no server project is assigned in our third week of school here at Dev Mountain, and it is designed to be a static website with various API pulls and no backend. So this is Moment. It was designed for me. I wanted to clone one of my favorite Chrome extensions called Momentum. I felt like Momentum had a lot of great things to teach me in terms of cloning, but there was also a few features that I thought were missing. So I decided to add those and give Moment a little bit of flair of my own. The various API pulls and the technology I used. The tech I used is HTML, CSS, Angular, jQuery, and Gulp. The API pulls is OpenWeatherMap, two API pulls from OpenWeatherMap. One is the current forecast or current weather, and the other is a 7-day forecast. And then the background is an API pull from unsplash.com. The clock in the middle is just JavaScript. It's just plain vanilla JavaScript with a set timeout of 1 second, and you'll see this change throughout the course of this presentation. The quote down there, and the quote is an API pull from, I believe, Foremost or Formosa.com. I'll send a link to all of these in the description down below. If you hover over the upper left-hand corner on the cog, you'll see the settings will pull up. These settings are all saved in the browser's cache as cookies. And when you click save, it'll save this as my name, Sterling. Going back and hovering, these are all toggles with ng hides and ng shows. So the user, if they wanted, can toggle on the greeting, the weather, or the quote. I'm actually not going to touch on the forecast because in the upper right-hand corner, I'm going to I'm going to show you that right now. If you go to the upper right-hand corner of the page, you'll see the current weather pulls up with a forecast of the day's high and low. There's also an option to show the 7-day forecast. By clicking on that, another ng hide and ng show will be triggered, and it'll show the rest of the 7-day forecast, and you can hide that there. One of my fellow students liked the idea, when I showed this to her, she liked the idea of keeping the forecast on all the time. So, as part of the feature I added, the user can toggle this on all the time. But that does mean that the show of the 7-day forecast goes away in the upper right-hand corner, as well as the hide in the middle, on the middle div goes away. And then if you hover over the quote, you will see the author of the quote pull up. That's just a jQuery on hover. And then in the bottom right-hand corner, I have a description of Moment. And in this case, the original purpose or the original hope is I wanted to make this a Chrome extension. And I may do that down the road, but I've got other projects pending, and I've got a current job that is taking more of my time than I'd like. So this is my extension, or this is my no server project Moment. If you'd like more information about me as a coder and to view my full portfolio, you can go to sterlingchin.com, or you can email me directly at sterling.chin@gmail.com. And links to all this will be in the description down below. Thank you and have a wonderful day.